This home uses light tones and organic touches in a modern Scandinavian style, so every furniture piece, material, and accent works together to create a calm, cohesive space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. The focal wall and furniture scale keep the area inviting. Then, the dining area. The layout ensures easy movement and connection. Moving into the master bedroom, the room stays simple, functional, and cozy. If your home feels unfinished or hard to arrange, it's not because the space is small, it's because the design was never planned as a system. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.